Hey guys, so I'm just going to tell you that you can yourself generate a UPSC code for your mobile number. As you know, the aircel is closing down, so we all having some problem for getting the porting code as the company didn't provide us. So I'm telling you a way to generate it on your own self. So what you need to do is just to go on the browser, and you need to go to a link which I'm going to tell you and which I'm going to leave it on a description. So you need to go there like this. So you need to put your number, like I put mine, and here you need to put your last sim number which you can find on your sim card. Otherwise you can download an app that is sim serial key, which is available in the Play Store. Let me show you. You can download that as well, as many of you are aware of it. Sim serial key, like that. Okay, the first one you need to download, and after you download you will get the sim numbers and you can use it. Okay, so first of all you need to go there, where okay, in the Chrome. Then you need to put your things here, and you need to click on the generation. This is your UPC code. With this code you go to any retailer shop, or any kind of mobile retailer outlet where you give this code, and they will provide you a sim in return of that. And it's so easy, they will just do some biometric things out there, and just you need to get your new sim card with with old number, and your new sim card with any of your desired network. So this is it, guys. Okay, thank you.